Florence, a vibrant hub of art and culture, stands proudly in Tuscany, Italy's gem. This enchanting city, synonymous with the Renaissance, boasts names like Michelangelo and Botticelli. The city center, recognized as a UNESCO heritage site, beckons with its museums and lush gardens. Since 1959, this center has provided a comprehensive environment for aspiring English teachers. As part of your TEFL course, interact with experienced teachers and observe dynamic classrooms. Finding accommodation in Florence is effortless with options just around the corner from the center. Every detail is considered, ensuring you feel at home while studying and exploring. The job market for English teachers in Italy is thriving, offering numerous opportunities year-round. With demand for English education soaring, your TEFL qualification opens doors to teaching careers. Adventure awaits. Stroll through charming neighborhoods and enjoy the vibrant Florentine culture. Prepare for your teaching journey, learn about job guidance, and refine your CV skills. Embrace the warmth of the Florentine people and make unforgettable memories along the way. Florence transforms your dreams into reality, creating a canvas for your future as a TEFL teacher.